Welcome back to the Squishmallow room, everybody. Look at this. Breezy went wig shopping. Oh, yeah. A little bit of teal. You know, we always got to be a little extra. So, let me know what you think. It just came out of the box like this. I haven't really played with it much, so let me know what you think. I feel like it makes me look chubbier than usual. You let me know. All right, so today we have a little box of makeup, accessories. I honestly don't remember because, shut up, Max. I forgot I ordered this and I got shoved to the bottom of a box that I have like stuff to unbox. So let's see what it is. I'm so excited. I don't remember. I remember ripping it and going, oh yeah, I can't do this one now. But that was like 2 months ago. So I don't have my scissors, so we're just gonna look, guys, they're gone. All day at work today, I was just getting underneath them and ripping them off. Go back to my life now. Okay, so first we have thank you from all of us. Face Treasures Boutique. I have my glasses on. AKA Beauty Gods. Oh, that's nice. I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on. I don't know where they are. Oh, here they are. Hold on, guys. Stay with me. Okay. At least the blue matches. Oh, this is cool. Okay, this is like a lot of fun stuff. This is, baby, it's gold outside. If that doesn't tell you how long ago I ordered this box, I don't know what will. So it's a winter one from like Christmas. 24 karat gold collagen. Firming and moisturizing. 24 karat gold. Max ain't gonna get this one, sweetheart. This one's mine. So, yeah, we're gonna try that. Oh, Lord. I love it. Like, I have a widow's peak. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, and I don't know how you work that with a wig. Okay, so this is Suns Out, Pouts Out, Gold Foil Lip Mask. I've never, in all the lip, if you watch my videos, I always get a lip mask, and I've never tried one. So, I might have to suck it up, Buttercup, and just try one because, yeah. Don't mind my, like, random, like, purse strap on the wall. I just noticed that was in frame. Please don't mind that. It's a Louis Vuitton purse strap, so let's not mind it too much. A fake one. Blot Translucent Powder. Single Dose Cosmetic Compact. Right? Huh? So it just takes the oil off your face? I could have used that 5 minutes ago. Interesting. Next. That's another. What is up with this? Okay, that's another one of those. We don't need to look at it. Body Fantasy Cotton Candy. Ooh, body spray. Ooh. I'm going to see if I can. I don't even remember where I got this box from. Amazon. Oh my God, that smells good. Yeah, that smells like cotton candy. Body Fantasy Signature. I feel like I know that brand. Do you know that brand? Let me know in the comments. Body Fantasy. I feel like that's something like my mom had. Look at this teeny. This is the smallest. It's like travel size nail polish. Girl, I can't read that. P.S. I don't know. Let's not worry about reading it and see what it looks like. Maybe. That's... why? Well, at least those nails are off so I can, like, open stuff. God almighty, that was hard the other day. Alright, good enough. Oh, whoa. That's thin. That's pretty. And it's sparkly. I am not putting anything on my nails for a very long time. Or I would put some on to show you. But no. Okay. This is by Mally. Does anybody know Mally? I never heard of it. What is it? Silk Eyeliner. Dreamy Plum. Eyeliner? Eyeliner comes in here. I mean, it's really pretty. The only eyeliner I will ever use is black. And you know what? If you guys notice, today I don't have any eyeliner on. I wasn't planning on doing a video, but I'm done with work and I'm bored. So here we are. I wanted to talk to my friends. Maximus is not around, so why not come see you guys? I love it. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you like the channel, and everybody share and everyone subscribe, everyone like. You know, it helps me out tremendously on that road to like making YouTube my full-time job, and I won't have to work out there anymore. Avocado, nourishing. Hi. Oh, it's another mask now. This one, let's see. Oh, it's green. We definitely need to get Max with this one on the live. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Like, I totally think we should put the green mask on him, and then I'll do the 14 karat gold one. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. This is why I never wear, but you ever notice my hair is always in a ponytail? This is why my hair is always in the ponytail. I have the world's smallest forehead, and it doesn't go anywhere but fall in my face. All right. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Yay! Ooh, get it off the light. Sun Kissed Pro Series. Okay. Eyeshadow and Press Pigmented palette. I like some pigmentation, so let this be sparkly. Today I have my eyeshadows like blah, but I have, I don't know, oh god, everything's blurry. The Hershey from the other day, the Hershey palette that we opened, Hershey chocolate one, and one from a couple boxes ago, maybe 2, and it was like a pearl brown. And I have that on. But it's not very pearly once you put it on. It's really weird. But I like to show you guys what I've opened before because, you know, I show you it, it gets put in a box, and you may never see it again. But this lipstick's about, 6 years old, so it's nothing new. Okay, so, finally. Oh, yes, we are pigmented. We are pigmented. Ah! Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Okay, what do we got here? We have Sandbar, Sunkissed, Sensation, Gold Coast, Heat Wave, Glow On. Oh, yeah. Cool Down, which is like a matte. Sunny's Out. You wonder where they were going with that. Berry Hot, which is very pretty, very pigmented. That one right there. And Tan Lines, which is the more of a matte one. I like them all. Oh, wow. I'm going to try this one tomorrow. Like, why not? All right, what else? This is more packable than I thought that was going to be a quick video. Babe alert! You look good, want to glow out? Soothing hair mask. A hair mask. Have you guys ever heard of Babe Alert? Maybe it's by Main Club. Okay. Hair mask. I have a hair mask I just got off of Amazon. I don't use it a lot. I will be going into the summer down here because your hair just gets, like, I usually in the summer it's slow season here, so I'll take like one day off and I'll walk back to the beach and actually go in the water. So you have the salt water, the heat, the wind, the sand, and your hair just gets beat up. Got a rando pair of socks. I love free socks. Stop it. Wait a minute. I thought it was a cat. I think it's a llama. A llama? A llama flying an airplane. I love it. Can't go wrong with a llama flying an airplane. Alright, what else we got? Now, this is like really never... Oh my gosh. Yeah, if you guys have any wig advice, that'd be great. Victoria's Secret. Oh. What is it? Exfoliating parfum. Okay, Strawberry Fizz. Well, of course, you have to be like vacuum packed. Ay, ay, ay. So we have a hashtag, where's Max playing with his grandkids? Like, how adorable is that? Okay, here it is. It's looks almost like neutral color, but it's kind of pink. And it smells like waxy strawberry. Like a piece of juicy fruit gum, I want to say. Have you guys ever used this? I mean, Victoria's Secret's obviously extremely popular. Um, exfoliating perfume? What is it? Do you scrub your face with it? I don't get it. I don't get it. Well, I'm guessing if it's strawberry, it's got to go on your lips. You let me know. I don't know. I don't know. I was never a big Victoria's Secret fan, TBH. Like, I know that's like blasphemy, but yeah, I don't like the pink. I never got it. I'm more of a creepy girl, so even though I'm wearing blue. Let's see. Queen Bee! We got another Queen Bee. Stop it. How many times in your life have you opened a mystery box and got a Queen Bee? Hello? You know, I know people like to take that name, but I'm one too. I might be like a Princess Bee. I'm Queen Bee in this town, but Princess Bee on YouTube, because there are way more Queen Bees out there than me. It's a very neutral color. So we're doing makeup with just my beauty light, nothing else, because that's makeup. It's right there. It's kind of has a nice shine to it, don't you think? You hear that? It's Max pulling in. He has a 1954 Ford Custom line, so, and with a 305 engine in it. Well, I should know this stuff, but yeah, you can kind of hear him coming around the block. There, that looks really cool. Very cool. I like that. It's a little too neutral for me. I like the darker colors, but very cute. That might go into the sister one. All right, second to the last thing we got is Beauty Rush. It's Victoria's Secret. Shimmer flavored? Is shimmer a flavor? All right. See what it's all about. Shimmer flavor, eh? Let's see what shimmer tastes like. Okay, here we go. Shimmer flavor. Let's have to go on a little bit. Ooh, that's glossy. I haven't been this glossy since like 1997. Kind of gotta do this. Wowza. Oh my gosh, I should be on Clueless or something. Or in like a Scream movie. That's glossy, alright. I like it though. I like the glossy era. But let's bring back glossy era, frosted tips. Like, yeah, like why not, like, you know, like 2000s vibes. Let's not go crazy and like go back to like 90s when I was in high school, but let's bring back to 2000s where it could be like glossy and chunky clothes and, you know, not so perfect all the time. It's last thing is, oh, we don't, it is never ending. It is really never ending. I don't even want to, okay. You guys can figure, weird, I don't know if you can see it, try to, OUAI. I don't even want to try to pronounce that and offend somebody. So, all right, what are we? Scalp and body scrub. Okay. Oh, this is strawberry. Was that what that was? No, it's shimmer. Well, apparently shimmer tastes like strawberry. Okay. That's really kind of cool. It's like chunky. Oh, that smells amazing. That's why you don't. That's why we got rid of the gloss era. That is really cool. I don't have a loop. Oh, I do have a loop. No, I don't have a loofah. But, ooh, some came out. Let's see what it does. I'm a mess. Saturday after work mess. Can't really see it, but you see the chunks? Oh, no, you can't. See anything? Chunky. This is why we got rid of the gloss. No one really feels like eating their hair, especially when their hair is like whatever. This wig is not real hair. And there's even, oh my god, it's everywhere. Little ASMR for you. Okay, now I think we're down to the last thing. Okay. This is a good thing to end with. Just be happy. Just be happy. It's hard to be happy nowadays, but just be happy. Live your best life. That's what I'm trying to do. What is this? Puzzles and activities. This was kind of like the YouTube of when I was growing up. Yeah, that's all that is. But I love the message that it gives. Just be happy. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I got, oh, gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This nice little surprise Saturday video. Do we like my hair? I'm going to try to do something where maybe I can, like, pull it back a little bit. It'll look better when I have all my makeup on. I don't have all my makeup on. Or maybe, like, I was trying to, like, part it on the side, and it was, like, to no avail. But we will, and then, like, I'll give you a better look at it. Because if you made it this far, you're a true subscriber fan. Like, I love the curls. Because my hair, my natural hair, it's always in a ponytail. Because I don't have a forehead. I've never been able to really style my hair. My sisters do, but I do not. But look at all the curl, and I love it. And I love the fact that you ever get a Halloween wig, and it is just everywhere. And when I say everywhere, it comes out looking like, you know, a rat's nest. Like something that's been thrown in a bag for like a decade, and then you're supposed to figure out how to make it, you know, look like Princess Leia, you know. But this one actually was nicely in the netting, and it came out already styled. That's right up my alley, because I'm really not good at styling hair. No. Well, I hope you guys liked it. I would love to make it a part of the routine, and I can't wait to try it with makeup on Monday. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Live your best breezy life. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Mine is, I'm going to totally go gold mask. How can I forget this part of the show? Gold mask and, where is it? Where is it? Oh, no. Well, meanwhile, the gold mask and this awesome eyeshadow palette were probably going to be my favorites. So let me know what yours is. And that's gloss. I mean, if I have my hair pulled back, I'm straight. Looks like I just stepped off the, I can't talk. Stepped off the set of Clueless. All right, guys, live your best breezy life. I'll see you guys on Monday, okay? Bye-bye.